Hi, I'm Joy. My 2018 Tesla Model 3 is coming up in its 7th year of service. Last year, the Consumer Reports named Tesla as the least expensive car brand over 10 years of maintenance, and I can attest to that. The only big maintenance item I've done so far, aside from changing a set of tires, was replacing the squeaking control arms and bushings last year for around $1,500. Tesla truly is a near zero maintenance and pretty much trouble-free car for me. This got me curious. How much has my dinosaur Model 3 depreciated after 7 years? I know that cars depreciate quite a lot after 5 years, so how much is it worth now if I were to trade in my Model 3 or sell it privately? At the filming of this video, my Model 3 has around 68,500 miles. I went up to Tesla.com, punched in my VIN number, and answered a few questions, such as the condition of my car. I've had one minor accident. I still have both of the original key cards. There's no damage to the vehicle. I do have an aftermarket auto trunk that I installed in 2019. And no, I don't smoke. Then voila, Tesla gave me a trading estimate that includes the value of FSD to be $17,900. I also went up to Kelley Blue Book, punched in the same info, and found that this estimate to be on the higher end of what KBB is quoting me. Of course, I have no idea if that $17,900 figure is high or low compared to a similar sedan. So I did a search on the trading value of a 2018 BMW 3 Series, and the estimate actually turned out to be quite a bit lower than my Model 3. Needless to say, I was pleasantly surprised by this. Now I'm in research mode. I went up to recurrentauto.com's free dashboard to see what they have to say. According to Recurrent, my 7-year-old Model 3 now has a usable battery capacity of 86% compared to when it was brand new, which is still considered pretty healthy after 7 years of almost 100% supercharging. And Recurrent is giving me a range score of 91 out of 100, which is pretty good. I went over to the Savings and Warranty tab and looked at Recurrent's most up-to-date estimated market value of my Model 3. And again, what Tesla had quoted me is right in line with Recurrent's market data as well. If you're curious about your Tesla's battery health and real-world range info, log on to recurrentauto.com today and generate your free report. You can use this data to negotiate for the best possible price on a used Tesla, whether you are selling or buying. Moreover, Recurrent can also help you sell your used Tesla privately on their platform, which will make the entire process so much easier. So now I know how much my 2018 Model 3 is worth after 7 years of usage. And no, I am not trading it in, nor am I selling it right now. Unlike my old BMW 3 Series, my Model 3 still feels and drives like the day I picked it up after 7 years of ownership. I plan on keeping my Model 3 for as long as I'm able because this car is built to last with very little maintenance required, and it drives itself around. Thank you so much for watching this quick video, and I hope the information I provided has been helpful to you. I will see you in the next one, and God bless you.